Trying to choose between Shopify and Cococart for your online business? Let's break it down so you can pick the one that actually fits your goals. Shopify is the go-to platform if you want full control over your online store. Whether you're selling physical products, digital downloads, or subscriptions, Shopify gives you a professional-looking website, powerful tools, and the ability to scale as you grow. It's beginner-friendly, packed with features like customizable themes, apps, marketing tools, and solid payment processing. Basically, if you're serious about building a real brand and growing your business, Shopify has got your back. Cococart, on the other hand, is a much lighter and simpler tool. Perfect if you're a creator, influencer, or solopreneur who wants to start selling fast without all the complexity. You can set up a checkout page in minutes, add products to your Instagram bio or website, and start taking payments right away. It's super easy to use and great if you just need a quick way to sell digital products, merch, or offer services. No full website required. So which one is better? If you're looking to build a full-featured online store and grow long-term, Shopify wins hands down. But if you're a content creator or side hustler who wants a fast, no-fuss way to sell online, Cococart might be all you need. Again, it's not about which is better overall. It's about what works best for your kind of business and how far you want to take it. Let me know in the comments which one you're leaning toward. And if you found this helpful, hit like and subscribe for more honest reviews.